ErrorFixer. This error blocks millions of websites from loading. Your browser cannot establish a secure connection. But do not worry, because I will show you exactly how to fix it.
SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer. Every time you visit a website, your browser and the server perform a TLS handshake. The browser sends a request, the server responds with its certificate and encryption key, and your browser verifies everything to create a secure encrypted tunnel. When any step fails, you get ErrorSSL Procel and Common causes include wrong system time, expired certificates, outdated TLS versions, antivirus interference, corrupted cache, and DNS issues.
Fix 1. Check your system date and time. This is the most common cause. SSL certificates have validity periods. If your clock is wrong, your browser thinks a valid certificate is expired. Open Settings, go to Time and Language, and enable Set Time automatically. Then reload the page.
Fix 2. Clear your browser cache in SSL state. Press Ctrl-Shift-Delete in Chrome. Select All Time as the time range. Check cookies, cached images, and browsing history. Click Clear Data. On Windows, also open Internet Options. Go to the Content tab and click Clear SSL State. Restart Chrome afterward.
Fix 3. Try incognito mode. Press Ctrl-Shift-N to open an incognito window. Visit the problematic site. If it loads, a browser extension is causing the error. Disable VPN, ad blocker, or proxy extensions one by one to find the culprit.
Fix 4. Disable antivirus HTTPS scanning. Your antivirus may be intercepting secure connections and creating its own certificates that Chrome does not trust. Open your antivirus settings, find web protection, and temporarily turn off HTTPS or SSL scanning. Test the website, then re-enable scanning and whitelist the site.
Fix 5. Flush DNS and reset the network stack. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run ipconfig/flush DNS, then netch winsock reset, then netch int IP reset. Restart your computer to apply all changes.
Fix 6. Update your browser. Open Chrome, click the 3 dots menu. Go to Help, then About Chrome. Chrome will check for updates automatically. Click Relaunch to install the latest version with full TLS 1.3 support.
Fix 7. Inspect the website certificate. Click the Not Secure warning in the address bar. Then click Certificate. Check the validity dates. If the certificate is expired, only the website owner can renew it. You can also test the server at sslabs.com/SSL-test.
Here is a quick recap of all 7 fixes. Check date and time, clear cache and SSL state, try incognito mode, disable antivirus HTTPS scanning, flush DNS and reset network, update your browser, and inspect the certificate. Keep your system clock synced, update regularly, and clear cache periodically to prevent future errors. Your SSL connection is restored. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.